Hey everyone, using Dodo Webview on an iPhone is the best way to access specific web-based applications or services that require a dedicated, clean browsing environment. In 2026, the process is streamlined to ensure you get the best performance without the clutter of a standard browser. Step 1. Installation and permissions. We are starting with the App Store. Because Dodo Webview acts as a bridge for other scripts or web apps, it requires specific permissions to run correctly on iOS. Search for Dodo Webview in the App Store and download it. Open the app and allow any requested permissions, especially local network or tracking if your specific web service requires data syncing between devices. Step 2. Entering the target URL. Now we are heading to the address bar. We do this to point the WebView engine toward the specific service or dashboard you want to use. Tap the URL bar at the top or center of the screen. Paste the exact web address URL you intend to use. Make sure to include HTTPS to ensure a secure connection, as Dodo Webview may block non-secure sites for your protection. Step 3. Configuring the display mode. We are looking at the display settings. This is what makes Dodo Webview better than Safari. It allows you to customize how the page feels. Tap the settings icon, usually a gear or 3 dots within the app. Select desktop mode if the website looks cramped, or toggle full screen to hide the iPhone's status bar and navigation buttons. This creates an app-like experience for any website. Step 4. Finishing with the home screen integration. We do this so you never have to type the URL again. Tap the share icon or the plus icon within Dodo Webview. Select Add to Home Screen. You can now launch your specific web app directly from your iPhone's home screen, just like a regular app. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.